Have you ever woken up tired and fuzzy? Many face sleep apnea brain fog, which clouds thoughts and drains energy. Understanding it is crucial to combat this condition. Sleep apnea is a serious disorder causing breathing interruptions during sleep. This results in poor sleep quality, fatigue, and brain fog. Daily tasks become harder and focus wanes. Let's explore the sleep-brain function connection. Quality rest rejuvenates the brain, aiding memory and mood. Sleep apnea disrupts this, preventing restorative phases. Common symptoms include daytime sleepiness and concentration issues. You may also feel forgetful or irritable, stemming from interrupted sleep cycles. Effective solutions exist. Continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP therapy, helps keep airways open. Lifestyle changes like weight loss and reducing alcohol intake also make a difference. Support includes cognitive therapies for mental clarity. Mindfulness exercises and good sleep hygiene improve sleep quality and reduce brain fog. In summary, sleep apnea causes significant brain fog, but solutions are available. Understanding the issue is the first step toward clarity. We trust this video was informative. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.